Half term, half term, half term. The students are looking forward to the half term next week. Homework, homework, homework. The teacher assigned a lot of homework for the weekend. Lesson unit, lesson unit, lesson unit. Today's lesson unit focuses on fractions in math. Lesson plan, lesson plan, lesson plan. The teacher prepared a detailed lesson plan for the new topic. Notebook, notebook, notebook. She always carries her notebook to write down important points. Pen, pen, pen. I prefer using a blue pen for my notes. Pencil, pencil, pencil. You should use a pencil for your math diagrams. Qualification, qualification, qualification. He is studying hard to get the qualification he needs for the job. Rule, rule, rule. Students must follow the school rules at all times. School fee, school fee, school fee. Parents are required to pay the school fees before the semester starts. Schedule, schedule, schedule. The teacher gave us the schedule for the final exams. Student loan, student loan, student loan. Many college students rely on student loans to pay for tuition. Student union, student union, student union. The student union organized a charity event last week. Subject, subject, subject. Math is her favorite subject at school. Textbook, textbook, textbook. You need to bring your math textbook to class tomorrow. Timetable, timetable, timetable. The new school timetable includes more time for physical education. Uniform, uniform, uniform. All students must wear the school uniform during classes. Yearbook, yearbook, yearbook. The school yearbook contains memories from the entire year. Science, science, science. Science helps us understand the natural world better. Mathematics, mathematics, mathematics. Mathematics is an essential subject for engineering students. Physics, physics, physics. Physics explains the principles behind how airplanes fly. Chemistry, chemistry, chemistry. She enjoys conducting experiments in her chemistry lab. Biology, biology, biology. Biology teaches us about the diversity of life on Earth. Astronomy, astronomy, astronomy. Astronomy allows us to explore the mysteries of the universe. Algebra, algebra, algebra. We learned how to solve equations in algebra class today. Geometry, geometry, geometry. Geometry involves studying shapes and their properties. Computer science, computer science, computer science. He is pursuing a degree in computer science at the university. Information technology, information technology, information technology. Information technology is a rapidly growing field. Medicine, medicine, medicine. She wants to study medicine to become a doctor. Technology, technology, technology. Technology has transformed the way we live and work. Literature, literature, literature. She loves reading classic literature from famous authors like Shakespeare. History, history, history. History helps us understand the events that shaped the modern world. Geography, geography, geography. We studied the geography of South America in class today. Ethics, ethics, ethics. Ethics is an important subject for understanding moral principles. Foreign language, foreign language, foreign language. Learning a foreign language can open up many opportunities. Philosophy, philosophy, philosophy. Philosophy encourages us to question and think deeply about life. Sociology, sociology, sociology. Sociology examines how people interact within communities. Economics, economics, economics. Economics teaches us how resources are distributed in society. Psychology, psychology, psychology. Psychology helps us understand human behavior and mental processes. Archaeology, archaeology, archaeology. Archaeology reveals fascinating insights about ancient civilizations. Politics, politics, politics. She is studying politics to better understand government systems. Civic education. Civic education. Civic education. Civic education teaches students about their rights and responsibilities as citizens.